Digestive system. This is the most prominent organ system in the body. It includes the mouth part, a long alimentary canal, and a pair of salivary glands. Alimentary canal. It is a long and slightly coiled tube with uneven diameter and divisible into three regions: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. Foregut. It includes mouth cavity, pharynx, esophagus, crop, and gizzard. Mouth cavity. Mouth cavity is a small, indefinable space outside mouth, which is surrounded by mouth parts. Hypopharynx divides preoral cavity into a posterior part called salivarium, into which common salivary duct opens, and an anterior part which leads towards mouth as a narrow food passage. Food is crushed and acted upon by the salivary secretion in mouth cavity. Mouth. Mouth is a small opening at the base of preoral cavity and leads into pharynx. Pharynx. It is short and tubular, and its circular lining is more folded posteriorly. Esophagus. From pharynx arises a long, straight, narrow, and laterally compressed tube called esophagus. It runs through the neck and enters thorax to merge with crop. Crop. It is a large, thin-walled, pear-shaped sac covered major part of abdominal segment. It is the largest part of foregut. Its internal epithelial and cuticular lining is very much folded. Its outer surface is covered by a network of trachea. Crop act as a reservoir for storing of food. Gizzard. Crop leads behind into a small cone-shaped muscular and thick-walled chamber called gizzard. It consists of two parts, an anterior armarium and a posterior stomodeal valve. Armarium. The armarium possesses internally 6 longitudinal folds that greatly reduce its lumen. Longitudinal fold alternate with 6 longitudinal grooves, which also bear small secondary folds. Cuticular lining of each longitudinal folds form in the anterior part a thick plate produced centrally into strong, sharp teeth. In the posterior part, a thin plate behind each longitudinal fold, the cuticular lining of the gizzard form a soft cushion-like lobe, the ped. The long backwardly directed hairs which act as strainer and allow only finer food particles to pass into midgut. Stomodeal valve. Behind peds, the posterior end of gizzard extend into the lumen of midgut as a spout-like narrow tube. The stomodeal valve, the latter fold back on itself and is thus double-walled. Stomodeal valve prevents regurgitation of food from midgut into gizzard. Midgut. Midgut is the short and narrow tube-like middle part of alimentary canal, also known as mesenteron. It is internally lined by glandular epithelium and act like true stomach, serving mainly for digestion and absorption. Hepatic ceca, opening into the anterior end of midgut, are 7 or 8 short, narrow, blindly ending hollow tube called hepatic ceca. These are internally lined by epithelium and secrete digestive enzyme. Malpighian tubules. From the junction of midgut and hindgut, 80 to 19 very narrow, thread-like yellow color blind tubules projecting freely into hemocoel. These are called Malpighian tubules. Hindgut.